Is the D3D compiler 43 DLL crash stopping your play? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair the link between your engine and hardware right now. This DLL file is a DirectX helper library used to compile high-level shader language, HLSL code. It translates graphics shader scripts into binary code that the GPU can execute to render 3D visuals in games. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The D3D compiler 43DLL is part of a game or graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is hardware accelerated. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the D3D compiler 43. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading the D3D compiler 43DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Click the link below for the recommended diagnostic utility. It's an efficient way to manage the D3D compiler 43 and organize your Windows environment for better stability. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix DirectX End-User Runtime. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.